Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It is now 7:30 in the morning and we have just woke up and we'll just freshen up and have our breakfast and move on to see the Junagadh Fort. We are currently in the Bikalal Hotel and let me show you the view from the room that I have booked. And there's our car parked below. So we have now checked out of our hotel and we are heading towards the Junagadh Fort in Bikaner. So let's go. We have reached the Junagadh Fort in Bikaner and in front of me is the fort. The fort was originally called Chintamani and was renamed Junagadh or Old Fort in the early 20th century when the ruling family moved to Lalgarh Palace outside the fort limits. It is one of the few major forts in Rajasthan which is not built on a hilltop. The modern city of Bikaner was developed around this fort. The structures built within the Junagadh fort are the palaces and temples which are made of red sandstone and marble. The palaces are described as picturesque with their assortment of courtyards, balconies, kiosks and windows. The fort, the temples and the palaces are preserved as museums and provide insight into the grandiose living style of the past Maharanas of Rajasthan. This is a must visit when you are visiting Bikaner. Look at the designs on the floor and on the walls. The massive fort built in the plains of Bikaner has a rectangular layout with a peripheral length of 1078 yards. The fort walls are 14.5 feet wide and 40 feet in height. Phul Mahal or the Flower Palace is the oldest part of the palace and was built by King Raja Rai Singh of Bikaner who ruled between 1571 and 1668. Badal Mahal or the Weather Palace is part of the Anup Mahal extension. It has paintings of Shekhawati Dundlod chiefs paying respect to the Maharaja of Bikaner in different types of turbans. Photos of people standing in nails, wood, swords and saws are also depicted here, a display of faith and endurance. The walls in this palace depicts fresco paintings of the Hindu god Krishna and his consort Radha amidst the rain clouds. Karan Mahal or the public audience hall was built by Karan Singh in 1680 to mark his victory over the Mughal emperor Aurangzeb. It is considered as one of the most exquisite palaces built with gardens which displays the aesthetic sensibilities of the royalty of Rajasthan. It has stained glass windows and intricately carved balconies built in stone and wood flatted columns. Later Rajas Anup Singh and Surat Singh also added a lot of glitter to this palace with inlaid polychrome glass, intricate mirror patterns and red and gold paint. In the coronation chamber, there is a shored up alcove which was used as a throne.
This is an excellent feeling to be inside a palace like this. Excellent.
Gogol, how are you feeling?
Excellent.
Only one word answer from Gogol. Short and concise. The most active traveler in town, my little son Tintin. I am simply awestruck by seeing the architecture and the intricate designs on the walls and floors of the palace. Also, the marble flooring is just too good. The ticket prices are 50 rupees per head for adults and 30 rupees for children aged 5 to 12 years. Below 5 years it's free. They also charge 150 rupees for movie camera. The museum within the fort called the Junagadh Fort Museum was established in 1961 and has many priceless exhibits. The Junagadh Fort might be a little small in size compared to all other forts in Rajasthan, but it is completely immersed in history. Each and every room has a little history and different things to tell about it. So do not miss it whenever you are in Bikaner. It is a must visit. If you have interest in old objects like old jewelry, dolls, then dresses, then furnitures of bygone ages, then come to this cultural museum which is situated just adjacent to the Junagadh fort. These are the items on display in this museum. So now we have completed our trip to Bikaner with this viewing of this Junagadh fort and the museum on this campus only, and now we are going to start our trip to the city of Jaisalmer. So let's move on. Time to hit the beautiful roads again. We are all enjoying the drives a lot. Jaisalmer is 330 kilometers from Bikaner and it takes around 5 hours to reach. As expected, the roads are excellent like what we have got till now during our trip in Rajasthan. Few stretches of this highway is 4-lane with divider in between. Major part of this road is narrow with traffic coming from both directions, but the road condition is excellent. We are now outside of Jaisalmer. We are at a distance of 190 kilometers from Jaisalmer, and we have stopped here at this hotel to have our lunch, and after that we'll start again for Jaisalmer. And you can see the view from here. It's completely deserted and there is nothing by its side, no localities, nothing. Only we got this hotel. Seems to be a good hotel, and it serves only pure vegetarian dishes. So we'll complete our lunch from here and start off for Jaisalmer. A little selfie time together. For our lunch we are having paneer with roti. Completed our lunch. Now we'll start off from here and head towards Jaisalmer. ডুবিতে বসবো হ্যাঁ তুমি ড্রাইভ করবে তুমি চালাবে চালাবে ঠিক আছে আমি গাড়িটা আনলক করি তারপর তুমি চালিয়ে নিয়ে চলো চালাবে তো চালিয়ে চলে যাবে আমাদের নেবে না So we have reached the War Memorial in Jaisalmer, and unfortunately it is closed for COVID, so we can only take pictures from the outside. There are 2 Indian Army tanks that are stationed outside, so we can only take pictures here, but we cannot enter inside. So this is one. This is the War Memorial, and another tank is over there. This is the other tank that is stationed here. We all felt so proud as Indians by standing here in front of the War Memorial. The gate of the Jaisalmer War Memorial. After reaching Jaisalmer, the first thing we did was check into our hotel, get freshen up, and then we have come to this Jaisalmer fort, and we are going to take a stroll in the fort. This is the livable fort, that means people now reside in this fort, and it has free entry for 24 hours. So you can enter this fort anytime you feel like and walk around this fort. So it is highly advisable to come in the night and have a feel of the fort. The first gate of the Jaisalmer fort. You can easily walk this way up to the top of the fort. So this is the second gate. We have crossed the first gate just now, and this is the second gate which we are going to cross. So people have houses here, they have hotels, restaurants, everything in this place. This is the third gate. We've just crossed the third gate, and just look at the view. Simply feels like I am standing 300 years back somewhere in Rajasthan. These palaces are closed now. We are going to come and visit them tomorrow morning. I'm walking through the narrow bylanes of this fort, and I can very well feel that I am a part of Satyajit Ray's film Sonar Kella. I can feel the essence of this fort. It is so nice to be here. People live here in the old houses made of this yellow stone, and it feels so great. Now we have come to the Cannon viewpoint, and let's go up. From here we can see the view of Jaisalmer city. The view of Jaisalmer city from the Cannon viewpoint. It's an awesome view. It's a heavenly view. Just look at it. Now we are going to another viewpoint. It is adjacent to the Cannon viewpoint, and this is called the desert viewpoint. So let's go, but it's night time, so we don't know how much desert we'll be able to see. But anyways, let's go to the viewpoint. On top of this desert viewpoint, so now the desert is total darkness. We cannot see anything, but yes, we can actually feel where the desert is. So tomorrow morning we are again going to come and see the desert in daylight. So for the time being, the view is like this. At the very far end we see the black dark area. That is actually the desert area, and in the foreground it is the city of Jaisalmer. Going to the Jaisalmer fort at night and walking through the narrow lanes of the fort is highly recommended. It makes one see the houses within the fort where people still live in today very closely. We felt being part of history and were filled with excitement. Our little traveler in an exploration mode inside the fort. Now it's time for us to go back to our hotel. We hired an auto for this purpose. The ride from within the fort and the narrow lanes of Jaisalmer was very enjoyable. If you like this video, then please click the like button. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get prompt notifications whenever a new video is uploaded. Also please share this video with others who likes to travel and explore new places.